aka Isolarian, and welcome to my channel. Today is day 5 of Vlogmas and I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial based on Christmas lights. You guys have probably seen that all around Instagram. Well, I don't have a lot of the products to use, which is the body paint. I'm just going to be using some eyeshadows and some concealer that I have here. So if you're like me and you're on a budget, you want to create this look, stay tuned. So I filled in my brows with the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in number 6, and I used the P. Louise base in Rumor 3 as my eyeshadow base. I'm going in with the pink color from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, then later going into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette to grab Man Eater. Then I'm gonna pick up Black Truffle and Man Eater together and also darken the crease. Now if you notice, the base I used for my eyelid was way too bright. Like, I should have used something close to my skin tone, and I normally would. It's just this is what I had on me at the moment of this tutorial. But yeah, now I'm cutting my crease with the P. Louise base in Rumor 0. So after carving out my crease and patting it down with white eyeshadow, I go into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and grab the turquoise blue and put it all over my lid. Then I go into my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and I grab 24K and use it as an eyeliner above my crease. To prime my face, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and my foundation of choice is the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Foundation. And to conceal, I'm going in with the Ella Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan, and I'm also trying out a new concealing technique I saw on Robert Walsh's channel. I'm hoping this will help me control the amount of concealer I put on. Instead of baking, I'm lightly pressing the powder into the highlighted areas of my face. I'm gonna bronze up the contours of my face using the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker Bronzer in color from the Zulu palette and the black from the Huda Beauty palette onto my lower lash line. For lips, I went in with the Essence Lip Liner in Deeply Intoxicated and the NYC Lip Gloss in Lilac. And as usual, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Periador remains my blush of choice. As highlight, I went into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Mastered Collection and I grabbed #blessed and sprayed it all over the high points of my face. Before I move on to the next big task, I'm just gonna set my face with some MAC Fix Plus. For the wiring for the Christmas light, I'm going in with my black eyeliner from Fenty Beauty and just drawing lines across my face. Then I'm using some white pencil eyeliner for Essence to make some indications of where the light bulbs are gonna be. I'm diving into a mixture of my Zulu palette and my Morphe 35V palettes to introduce those colors to my cheeks right now. Now guys, I'm not trying to give myself a pat on the back because I really honestly was not expecting this look to work with the eyeshadows, but I'm impressed with it so far. It has this hand painted effect. Right now I'm just using a little bit of my Rumor 0 base from P. Louise to make some little highlights in the bulbs. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I definitely really was not expecting it to be this good. I'm really glad with the way it came out. I'm gonna try this when I have some body paint, so definitely watch out for that tutorial. But here are some more glamour shots. Alright everyone, this was a pretty long night for me. I'm just gonna clean up my station right now. This is my trusty ring light. It's a Dex lamp. Yeah, I'm struggling a bit here. I didn't bring my ring light with me. But yeah, that's gonna be everything for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!